Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I will show you on how to change your Gmail password in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following me to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Gmail account. So I'm going to click on here to open my Gmail app. So after you open up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon from the top side corner. So click on that, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Google account. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to personal info. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for password from the bottom right here. Click on password. Then it's going to take you right here. So at the point here, enter your new password right here, confirm your new password, and simply click on change password. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your Gmail password in mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.